Hello, welcome to my channel. Today let us see how to crochet these mittens for a newborn baby. I am using 3.5 mm crochet hook. Let's start. First make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Join with the slip stitch to make a circle. Now make 3 chains for the first round and make 9 half double crochet in the circle for the first row. 2, 3. In the same method make 9 half double crochet for the first row. I have finished 9 crochet. Count once again and join with the slip stitch. We have finished the first row. For the next row make 2 chains and 1 half double crochet in each chain. This will be the second row. Again at the end of the second row we will get 10 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet in each chain for the second row. Half double crochet in each chain. Now I have finished the second row. Join with the slip stitch, and for the third row make 2 chains and 2 half double crochet in each chain. So at the end of the third row you will be getting 20 half double crochet stitches in the third round. See, 2 half double crochet in each chain, 1 and 2. In the next chain also 2 half double crochet, 1 and 2. In each chain we will be putting 2 half double crochet, and by the end of this third row we will be getting 20 half double crochet stitches. We have come to the end of the third row. Count once again. There will be 20 half double crochet stitches. And now join with the slip stitch. And coming to the fourth row, make 2 chains and 1 half double crochet in each chain. So in the fourth round also we will be getting 20 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet in each chain. Repeat this pattern for 8 rows. This is 4th row. Again 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th rows we should put 1 half double crochet in each chain, and we will be getting 20 stitches in each round. See here, start with 2 chains and put 1 half double crochet in each chain. This pattern will repeat from 4th row to the 8th row. So 8 rows we will be getting 20 half double crochet stitches in each round. Now I have finished 8 rows. Count once again the number of rows After finishing the 8th row, we'll be changing the color. I am changing as white. For the slip stitch itself, you change the color and make a slip stitch with white. Make a knot with green thread and cut the excess green thread. We'll finish these two extending threads inside the mittens. Now continue with 2 chains. Leave 1 chain and in the next chain make a half double crochet. Again 1 chain, skip 1 chain here and in the next chain make a half double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 and make a half double crochet in the next chain. Again chain 1, skip 1 and make a half double crochet in the next chain. Continue this pattern throughout this 9th row with white thread. Skip 1 and 1 half double crochet in the next chain. Skip 1. See, I have come to the end. Join with a slip stitch and make 2 chains and 1 half double crochet in the space, 1 half double crochet in this chain, 1 half double crochet in the space and 1 half double crochet in the chain. This is the 10th row and the final row. 1 half double crochet in the space and 1 half double crochet in the chain. In this method we will finish the 10th row and join with a slip stitch. Cut the ends and fasten it through few chains and let us finish this mittens. Again put 50 chains for making a thread like this and finish it. Insert this thread in the 9th round. We'll be having space in between each stitch. So insert this thread like this in the 9th row completely. And make a knot and a bow in the center. To tie it tightly for the baby. I hope you understood it clearly. If you like this video, share with your friends and click the like button and also subscribe for my channel for future videos. Thank you.